everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Hope each and every one of you are safe and healthy no matter where you are. First and foremost, I'd like to say Happy New Year, everybody. Hope you are blessed beyond all reason this year, and this year's going to be the best one ever. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Well, I am here with a project share for BB Craft. And I will leave all the link to these awesome products down below. Please go check them out. And I do have a coupon code that I will leave that if you would like to place an order, you would be able to save some money on your next purchase, and I would truly appreciate that. And also, as most of you all know, BB Craft, if you have 100 subscribers or more, they do have a YouTube program. I will leave that link down below to where you would be able to try out some of their products. So go check them out. I think you would be really happy. They have just anything and everything any crafter would ever want. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to show you is I got the string light pattern dies, and it had all these, like these light bulbs on it, the string, and you also had like a little banner that said Be Merry, and I decided to make a cute little tag with that. Look how cute those are. And there's the Be Merry. And then those little light bulbs, aren't those adorable? And then there's the string right there. And then it's just, you just put, there's 3 different kinds. There's this bulb, and then there's the bulb that has the star in the middle, and then there's a smaller set. And there's also some stars, and here's the smaller set right here. Aren't those adorable? He made a super cute tag. I love that. And you know, you could even use these for like summer, like those lights you would have outside. You could use it for a birthday card, for the string up the lights for the birthday card. So there's so many possibilities. But that's the tag that I created using the stringed up lights. And this is the keychain. That's the angel keychain. And what you get is you get these absolutely beautiful little gift bags. You get these awesome tags, and they're like chipboard tags. You get some pink ribbon. Look at all that ribbon you get. And you also get these absolutely gorgeous angel keychains. And talking about a quick, simple gift that you could give somebody. Look at this beautiful angel here. And then there's a little charm on it that says Made with Love. And so really all you have to do, I'll show you what I did for my co-workers at work. I put some candy, and for my husband's co-workers, I always make little gifts for them. I always get them like a little Bath and Body Works. Talking about perfect for a little antibacterial. And that's what I did with them. And all you have to do is you can stamp on the tag, which you can tell that's what I did on this one. And then I put the keychain through that. And then what I did was tie this little bag, this little gift bag on the tag. If my little fingers will get going here. And then that made this a little gift. And look, not only did they get a little guardian angel keychain, they got a little Bath and Body Works antibacterial too. So how stinking fun is that? And then the people at work, I just tied this and just done a little bit of peppermint. See how cute that is? Talking about versatile. And stay tuned to my next video. This is the antique bronze steampunk gear. I made this, and I'm going to show you how to make one, but this is going to be in my next video and my next project share. But guys, look how cute this would be. And this is like a little bracelet that I created. Look. And then what I'll show you how I put all this together was I took a tag, and like I said, you can stamp it, and that little hole pops out, the little heart pops out, and all I did was thread. I tried to get it above that. All right, so all I did was thread this through, like right here, and just thread it through until it comes to the end there. And so see, now you've got your bow and your keychain right there. And then all you have to do is just tie this little bag to the keychain, and not only do they get the gift that's in the little bag, they've also got this absolutely beautiful angel keychain. So I think that these would make awesome, awesome gifts, and everybody that received them really, really loved them. And I can tell you I will be using every single one of these. So thank you, BB Craft, for sending me these fabulous, fabulous goodies to play with. And I will leave their link down below. And guys, stay tuned to my next project share, because I'm going to show you how I created this steampunk bracelet. First time I've ever done this. This kit made it so easy. So I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.